Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is a quick video about the motion sense feature on the Pixel 4 and 4 XL phones. As you can see, the screen is currently unlocked and on the home page. Let's go to the settings page here. Now you can either go to the motion sense feature set, the page, or just type motion sense in the search box. So I'm typing motion sense here. If you search for motion sense in the search box before, it will show up as it does not in my case, presumably because I haven't searched for it before. But we were able to get into it by searching motion sense and finding the relevant option. So here we are. Now, as we clicked on it, you can see the various options: pause music, skip songs, silence interruptions. And there are two features in relation to ambient display, such as anti-lock screen and reach to check phone as well. Now, the March update added the functionality of playing and pausing music in addition to various other features, as you can see here, that were available since launch. So to see that, let's go to a compatible app such as YouTube Music. And this is called YT Music. So it may be harder for people who don't know the name change or not aware of the change in the name, but it's called YT Music. So we go in here. Now there's a sort of random track playing. Don't worry about it. The music is muted. So it's all good. As you can see, the gestures available at launch were to skip tracks. So if I move my hand like this, it kind of goes on to the next track. If I move my hand backwards, it should come to the previous track. There you go. Now the new feature that was added, which is that if I move my hand closer to the screen, it can pause music. So there you go. If I move it like so, it paused the music. If I move it again, it should play it again. No, it's not doing so now because it's a little bit finicky, but there you go. It did play the music. So this was an added functionality in the March update. If you haven't updated your Pixel 4 and 4 XL to the March update, I suggest you do so if you're interested in using this functionality. Hope you guys like this quick demonstration. If you want to see more content on Pixel 4 versus the iPhone 11 Pro, please let me know. Thank you. Thanks for watching.